tried the most viral art video in the internet right now, but I get so much hate comment. But for now, just let's start the video because I don't wanna waste any more time. Drawing starts with a circle, then a straight line and time for jaw. And I divided the circle. Now it's time for ears. Don't ask me for more details. Just follow the steps I followed. I know you guys are already very smart. I'm drawing the head part roughly because I'm gonna adding the details later. Just roughly drawing this for a good view. You can see that. I'm not gonna focusing on in clothes. Hairline this is. And now you have to draw the eyebrow first. I'm not gonna add any details because I'm lazy. No, I'm just gonna focus on sketch firstly. Don't think that I'm not lazy, or maybe a little bit. Just focus on the drawing now. And don't forget to add the third eye on the middle because the gap between two eyes equals to one extra eye. That's very important. If you add the third eye on the center, then you can easily draw two eyes without worrying about the gap between the two eyes. And now don't tell me that I'm not adding the details. I have already told you I'm not gonna add the details now. And now I have to draw the noses. Probably the most hardest thing for a beginner artist because I can also feel the pain. Don't tell me how I drew this. Just you can follow the steps I followed. And you can also draw like this. I know my drawing is not that good, but you can still follow the steps I followed if you want. I'm not forcing you, right? Now it's time for the lips. I guess lips? Yeah, I'm drawing the lips. In the reference, the lips are a bit tilted, so I'm simply gonna follow the reference. Oh, where is my eraser? I can't find it. Oh, I found it. Now I'm erasing 80% because I'm gonna add the final layer and make the drawing better. Now focusing on details, you can see how I'm slowly adding the details. You focus and I'm gonna read those hate comments for your assurance that I already posted the video 1 week ago and I already got more than 100k views. I know it sounds like crazy.
Give up for me? It's a big achievement, guys.
But the haters said, hate me, not bloody sketch me. Oh, I'm really sorry. I don't have the facility to paint the drawing. That's why I'm sketching. Someone commented, bro, she is so beautiful. I don't know why all are painting her. And your art is also good in your art style. Thank you, bro. You are really such a fairy person. And now you answer me, guys. What can I do? Someone loves it and someone also hates it. I think I have to think about the good fairy people who supports me. That also beneficiary for me. And someone also commented me that your artwork is good, but your editing is too bad. What can I do? I know my editing is horrible. I know, but I'm a horrible video editor. Actually, I'm so lazy to edit videos. I'm really sorry for my horrible editing. Oh, please don't mind. If you are thinking why I'm not shading properly, because I don't have the patience. Because I started filming the video at 2 p.m. and now it's 4 p.m. Already 4:10 and I'm so hungry. I hope you are not gonna hate me for this. I hope I don't have any hope. So I'm just gonna simply float on the floor. I know, it's very annoying. But I don't know what to say right now. That's why I'm singing. I hope you guys don't hate me for this. Now again focus on the drawing. I'm just roughly shading the dark areas. Now I'm editing the video and thinking when it's gonna end. Because I'm so excited to show you something, guys. But I can't tell you right now because I already shooted a new video for the surprise. I hope you are also excited for the new exciting news. I hope you are excited. If you are thinking why I didn't tell it here and already shooted a new different video, then I'm gonna tell you why. Because it's simple. I don't have enough time to make a video too longer, and if I make a video 2 days long, then I'm definitely sure that you guys are not gonna watch the too long video. Can you imagine? I put so much effort to draw a sketch and it took me about 2.5 hours. But I also edited it for you guys and make it within 15 minutes. Now just break the topic and read more comments. Someone commented, please stop reposting paint me woman. This is getting repetitive and annoying. I know it's annoying and it's repeatedly happening. And I'm really very sorry for you. And someone replied him, OMG, I'm so sorry. Something other people like is annoying for you. Because we should all think about your opinion. When making art, I'll delete every drawing video on my channel for you. You guys are really very funny because you started a war in comments. And I don't know. After a long time when I opened my comments and I saw this. You guys are literally fighting over an art video. Are you guys serious? But whoever replied to this comment, very thank you for supporting me and supporting other artists. And now let's jump to another new comment. Someone commented, wow, so beautiful. And someone also commented, am I the only one thinking that her feature look a bit like Rashmika Mandana? I don't know. You tell me, guys. Someone says, why everyone Roshi? I also really don't know, but I think the video got viral. That's why everyone drawing her. Another one commented, is this an order? That's rude. Who are you? I don't wanna paint you. Do you accept free art? I don't know if she gonna watch my video and watch and click on the comments and see your comment and then she gonna reply to you. This is a very unrealistic thinking. I think. If you guys are enjoying my drawing process, then let me know in the comments and I will read your comments in my next video. If you want that, then don't forget to comment below and let me know what mistakes you find in this video. That's how I can improve myself and prepare some good quality videos for you. And now, don't waste any more time and just let's watch the video in 20x faster. I know someone gonna also comment me today that why don't I make the video in Hindi. So I'm gonna tell you now that my mother tongue is not Hindi and I also can't speak Hindi properly. That's why I make my video in English. Now just subscribe to my channel because I wanna play with my play button. Here is the final result.